Come back with me again in this channel. On today, can create a monthly calendar in Google Sheets. So here I've already opened the spreadsheets page on the Google. So here, if you want to create a calendar, you don't need to create from scratch. So here I'm going to show you the easiest way. You can just use a template from the Google Sheets. So here what you need to do is explore the template gallery, click on this button, and then just scroll down and you'll find the calendar in here. Okay, so this is the annual calendar. So you can just click on the template and it will be open. So as you guys can see here, this is the 2022 calendar, but you can always change it to the year that you want. Okay, so it's actually 2024, sorry. And if you want to change the format like the maybe the color, or you can also make some changes on each month. You can see here there are tabs, demands tab in here. You can customize your calendar in here, so you can just choose the tab that you want to edit. And here there are also some tips from the Google Sheets. If you want to change the theme, you can just go to format and here select theme. Okay, let's try format. And okay, if you want to, you can also change the color here. You can change the format to the one you want. Okay, let's try this. Will it change? Okay, it will change just like this. So you can just choose the color that you want. You can also, for example, add like your event or schedule. You can add notes in here on each month or of certain days. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.